back to the channel, DTTV. So we're on part 8 already. I had been hoping to put a video out to you every single evening, but unfortunately that's pretty unrealistic. So hopefully I'll try and do a video every 48 hours for you. I've had some really good feedback so far and some great help along the way already, so I really appreciate that. Thanks to all the new subscribers, and I hope you consider sharing it with other people. And also don't forget to click the like button as well, because it helps with the videos and push them up for more content for other people. And do remember to turn the notification bell on in order to be advised when the next video goes up. But this video is a bit of a mixture of a few different bits and bobs. But yeah, I'll play the content, I'll leave you to it, and I'll probably speak to you again at the end of the video. So when doing a restoration of the car, it's often the little things that stand out. These were all yellow, as you saw there in the time lapse. They left a horrible sticky residue, so I used a bit of sticky stuff remover and it shifted it. And just in the few locations I put a bit of black tape, but just smartened them up and made them look OEM. As I said, not really something major to do, but once the engine's in, it's all looking smart and all refurbished. It's definitely something worth doing. So yeah, that's an engine bay one. I've got the rear bumper one here to do. It doesn't actually need wrapping, but for keeping it consistent, even though you'll never see it, and to keep it consistent, I'm going to wrap that up in black as well now, which you'll see shortly. Certainly not the most enjoyable job in the world, but done. That's 2 completed. There is that massive mess of a wiring loop to do, and that's going to take me a long time to go through. But hey, there you go. Just doing a little bit at a time. I managed to achieve something tonight at least, rather than not doing anything. So yeah, there we go. 2 little items completed. Okay, so a little bit of time lapse here for you all. Friend Paul, he came over, he's got some much better tools and it's a much easier job if there's 2 of you. So it was quite late in the evening, as you can see looking at the light there. But yeah, we just stripped down the subframe, removed the remaining hub nuts and the spacer bolts, which were Imperial in the end, which is why I was struggling to get the right size. But yeah, we finally got them off. Yeah, so they're fully stripped down. Took the shocks out of the hubs as well. So yeah, just another little job done there. So more bits stripped down, ready to organise and get sent off. Nitro Morse has been put on, so I'll leave that for about 20 minutes and then I'll come and give it another coat. So I've also brought these 2 out as well, because all of these parts are pretty much new and they were fitted to the car. The car never ran, so I'm going to strip them right back the same as the others, and hopefully they'll come up like new. So yeah, we'll leave that for about 20 minutes, come back out, see how we're getting on and give it another coat. finally, something I've wanted to do for a long time, as you're aware. So rear beam's off. The rear bushes are absolutely shot, so they definitely need to be replaced anyway. This all seems not too bad. Shot blasted and powder coated, look good. I've just got to take off these 20mm, I think they're 20mm rear spacers. I'll look to fit some 30mm press car spacers, the same as they did on the 5 press cars that they did when they released the Ford Racing Puma. Usually they got 20mm, but as I said, 30mm just improves the stance slightly. The wheel bearings are all new, so I will not be shot blasting and powder coating this. I'll just clean this up and hammerite that, I'd have thought. But yeah, same on the other side. Just going to get this bolt out, it's been a bit tight. But that's it, I've just got the fuel tank to take off from the other side. As you can see, it's absolutely spread down. The exhaust is finally off, so I'll remove all the heat wrap and paint on that, spot it up. Got the normal tip on it as well. And as you can see, there's the springs, the rear, actually, I can show you the rear shocks have come off. I'll probably send these to get rebuilt, because they, as you can see, they're not sealed, so you can get them rebuilt, as I said. So yeah, not bad. Anyway, on that note, as it's absolutely hammering it down, oh, just quickly, on registration plates, I've got D7 there for DT, Ford Racing Puma. I've been looking at some other options as well, so I'll go through them with you at some point, see what you think. I kind of like the idea of somehow getting DT TV, but I haven't thought of a combination that would work with that as yet, but yeah, we'll see. So yeah, car cover back on, and that's going to be it for now, because it's absolutely